All right, people. Yes, back in the garage, tinkering again. And today we are going to be messing around with this. The lights, not the actual headlight, but the bulbs inside. So these come with the daytime running lights that run down the side. And obviously you've got the standard light that comes on. As quickly, there you go, see. So what we're going to do, play around with the bulbs and seeing what it looks like. So on the bench, I have two bulbs. I've got these Philips H4 White Vision Ultra. You see they've got the little blue cover. So this is a 2 bulb pack. These are about 15 quid. And I thought I'd try some other one from Amazon. This is an LED headlight kit. I don't know what it is, Zetheros, whatever. Thought I'd give this a whirl. Again, this is a H4 kit, so we'll just get the bulbs out. So this is both the bulbs side by side. LED on the left, the White Vision on the right. See, look, they're both the same size. Both use the same H4 connectors. So we'll see what the stock light looks like on the bike in the dark. I'll wheel it out the front and then we'll swap the bulbs over and then we'll see what's what, and I'll point the light against the wall and do a test. Right, let's go. It's getting dark. Let's just start it, see what the stock light looks like. So as you remember, to take this front cover off, there's a bolt there and there's another one on this side. So just unscrew them and this cover should pop off. So the cover is off. I've also removed these two leaves just so that it's got a bit of play so you can get to the plug on the back. But for this, you've got to take that one off, and then here there's like a little rubber bung, so you lift it up, pull it out, and there is a headlight, look, off the bike. So that's where we got to get to the bulb. So this thing we got to twist to the left. I've just loosened it, but it's quite stiff, and then that cap comes off, and then that will expose the bulb and the plug. So the pin just comes off, just give it a little pull, it will come off, and then you need to get these metal clips just to hold the bulb in place, and you can remove the bulb. So to get the bulb out, what you got to do is push down on this, and then that clip pips off, and you can get the bulb out. Straightforward. So let's get the Philips one on first. There it is, this is Philips. Put this on, connect it back onto the bike, wheel the bike out and give it a test. Right, let's try the Philips white light. Right, let's try this LED one now. Let's do the LED version. Definitely looks a lot brighter. Alright, cool. I think you'll all agree those LEDs, that LED one, the £30 one from Amazon, was actually not bad. I don't know if you can see the bulb there, look. Woo! Yeah, that looks alright, doesn't it? Yeah, baby, I think we'll stick with that. Alright, all fitted, back together, nice and easy, reverse. There you go, LED kit. I'll leave a link in the description. Yeah, man, do the upgrade, people, do the upgrade. It absolutely works. Alright, catch you later.